7 easy ways to make her think about you constantly. Get her missing you non-stop. Hey guys, ever wished you could be on her mind every moment of the day? What if you could turn the tables and make her miss you even more? Well, today, I've got 7 powerful strategies that'll make her think about you constantly. And yes, even miss you like crazy when you're not around. Stick around because number 5 might be the secret weapon you've been waiting for. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the art of relationships, attraction, and what makes people tick. If you're ready to understand the psychology behind relationships and improve your love life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, turn on those notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips. In today's fast-paced world, attraction isn't just about looks or status. It's about creating a connection that leaves a lasting impression. Many people think being on someone's mind is random, but that couldn't be further from the truth. With the right techniques, you can spark a kind of attraction that keeps you in her thoughts, making her long for your presence even when you're not around. Let's break down these powerful techniques, one by one, so you can create that kind of magnetic connection and be a bit mysterious. The first rule of staying on her mind: don't reveal everything at once. Keeping a bit of mystery around you makes her naturally curious. When she can't predict your next move or when you're too available, it starts to feel routine. Hold back a little, keep your responses intriguing, and let her wonder what you're thinking. You want her to feel like she still has more to discover about you? That'll keep her intrigued. 2. Stay positive and uplifting. Think back to someone who was always in a great mood and left you feeling inspired. People remember those who bring positivity into their lives. Be that guy who lifts her up, encourages her dreams, and sees the bright side. It's simple psychology. We crave being around those who make us feel good. And the more she associates you with positive feelings, the more she'll think of you with a smile. 3. Create shared experiences. Shared experiences are powerful because they create memories. Take her somewhere new or do something different together. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture, even small adventures work. When she recalls these moments, she'll connect those feelings to you, making her think of you often and with warmth. 4. Build tension with space contrary. To popular belief, always being there doesn't strengthen attraction, it dilutes it. Sometimes stepping back a little can make a huge difference. Give her some space to miss you. Let her wonder what you're up to and feel the pull of wanting more. By balancing time together with intentional gaps, you create a cycle of anticipation and desire. 5. Listen, don't just talk. Most people are so focused on impressing that they forget the power of listening. Show genuine interest in what she's saying, be there fully in the moment, and remember the little details. When she feels heard, she'll feel valued, and that's something that leaves a lasting impression. Over time, she'll crave those moments with you, thinking about you whenever something reminds her of a shared conversation. 6. Make small romantic gestures. Small, thoughtful gestures can be surprisingly powerful. Send her a text that makes her smile in the middle of the day, leave a handwritten note, or remember her favorite coffee order. These small actions make her feel cherished and remind her that you think of her too. She'll find herself waiting for the next little surprise from you, and that longing will keep you on her mind. 7. Be unapologetically yourself. Finally, the most important tip: be authentic. People can sense when you're trying too hard, and it can be a major turnoff. Don't be afraid to show your quirks, to be genuine, and to stand by your own values. Authenticity is magnetic because it's rare, and by being truly yourself, you'll leave an impression that no one else can replicate. So there you have it. 7 easy ways to make her think about you constantly and miss you when you're gone. Remember, these tips are about creating a meaningful connection, not just mind games. Attraction rooted in genuine feelings and real interest is powerful and lasting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let us know which tip resonated with you most in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into relationships, attraction, and personal growth. Thanks for watching our channel. Until next time, keep making those unforgettable connections.